Absolutely. Let's take this forward with the same clarity and groundedness as before, but now with the added weight of a fresh search. Here's what the latest, reputable sources confirm what the evidence shows about spraying the atmosphere. After checking authoritative scientific, regulatory, and aviation sources, the conclusion remains consistent and unambiguous. There is no verified program, military, governmental, or corporate, that is secretly ordering atmospheric spraying. Every documented activity that involves releasing substances into the air falls into public, regulated, and openly disclosed categories. None of them match the idea of covert atmospheric chemical dispersal. Let's break down what is real, who oversees it, and why it happens. 1. Aircraft emissions, normal flight operations, authority. EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, FAA, Federal Aviation Administration. What's happening? Jet engines emit water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulates. Under certain humidity and temperature conditions, this forms contrails, which can spread into cirrus like clouds. Purpose: not intentional spraying, simply a byproduct of combustion and atmospheric physics. 2. Cloud seeding, weather modification, authority. State water agencies, local water districts publicly filed permits. What's happening? Aircraft release tiny particles like silver iodide or salt to encourage precipitation. Programs are public, small scale, and heavily regulated. Purpose: increase snowpack, manage drought, improve water supply. Rice plant 3. Agricultural and public health, aerial spraying. Authority: EPA regulates pesticides, state agriculture departments enforce rules. What's happening? Spraying for crops, mosquitoes, invasive species, etc. Conducted at low altitude, publicly announced, and highly regulated. Purpose: protect crops, control disease vectors, manage pests. Small airplane 4. International aircraft disinsection. Authority: ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, National Transportation Agencies. What's happening? Some countries require aircraft cabins to be sprayed with insecticide before landing. Purpose: prevent spread of disease-carrying insects. Test tube. What is not supported by evidence? No credible scientific, regulatory, or aviation source shows a top-down chain of command ordering atmospheric spraying, a covert program dispersing chemicals over population, secret materials being released from commercial aircraft, hidden agencies directing atmospheric modification. Investigations by universities, atmospheric scientists, and government agencies have repeatedly found no evidence of such programs. Brain: why people ask this question. Patterns in the sky can look strange, grid-like contrails, persistent trails, hazy layers, but these are explained by flight routes, atmospheric humidity, contrail spreading, weather fronts, not by secret spraying. If you want to go deeper, I can walk you through any of these, depending on what angle you want to explore. How contrails form and why they sometimes persist, how cloud seeding actually works, what chemicals are used in regulated spraying, how atmospheric science debunked chemtrail claims, how to verify flight paths and emissions data. Just tell me the direction you want to take this next. Part 2. To be continued. Argon mode.